Hello, welcome to Creating with Kate. In this crazy summer of 2020, I don't know about your area, but in my neck of the woods, we will not be having our 4th of July fireworks. So I thought we would make our own do-it-yourself fireworks. Let's get started.
You're going to need paint. Acrylic paints work very well and come in a wide variety of colors. Also, paper tubes, like from a roll of paper towels or toilet paper. You're going to need something to cut with. And of course, paper. Something heavyweight like cardstock, and somewhere to put your paint, like a paper plate or a piece of cardboard. Now it's time to turn those paper tubes into paintbrushes. Grab your scissors and start slicing up about 2 inches along the tube, cutting all the way around your tube. How close together you place your cuts will determine how many rays your firework print will have. Once you're finished cutting, press down on the cut edges until all of the pieces splay out evenly. If you have the materials, it's fun to experiment with the different lengths of paper tubes to see how the different lengths will affect the size of firework that you can make. With the longer tubes, you can make your cuts deeper, and that makes for a bigger firework print. As you're making your cuts, try to keep them all about the same length. It will make for a better print. In this next step, you're going to want to lay out something to protect your workspace as you get ready to launch your fireworks. Then it's time to lay out your colors. Spread out your paint across your palette so it's easier to get on all of the rays of your firework brush. You can keep your colors separate or mix them together on your palette. There's no wrong way to do this. Once you have your paints all set, grab your firework paintbrush, dip it in the paint, and let the fireworks fly. Be sure to move your brush so that all the rays get dipped in the paint so you get a full, good print. Press it down on your paper, then release and see what you've made. You could use different brushes for the different colors, or you could mix the colors on your brush and see what happens on your paper. You could add a lot of fireworks, or keep it minimalistic and have just a few. When you feel like you have enough, just stop. There's no wrong way to apply your paint. Here's another option.
I'm doing this color now.
My helper was much more interested in mixing the colors together on his paper and smearing it around in all sorts of ways. To each their own. Once your fireworks are done, it's time to stand back and ooh and ah at all your creations. I really enjoy printmaking because every print is going to be unique. No two will ever be the same, and every artist has their own style and color selection. And maybe this will bring a little extra sparkle and flair to your summer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.